Hello pinners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're spicing things up as I walk you through the process of changing your Pinterest theme. If you're ready to give your profile a new look, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. To get things started, open your Pinterest app and make sure you're signed into your account. We're about to add a touch of personal style to your profile. Access your profile by tapping the saved icon in the lower right corner. Look for the hexagon icon in the upper right corner, tap on it to enter the Pinterest settings. A page will open where you can click on the Settings option. Under Settings, find and tap Account Management. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's where you can express your style. Look for the App Theme option and tap on it. When the night station opens, you can choose a darker theme, or a lighter theme if your previous one is dark. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest theme, giving your profile a fresh and personalized look. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Until next time, see you in the next video.